What you see here is not real. This is a 3D representation created with a technique called Gaussian Splatting. In this video, I can explain you what it is, the uses, and the advantages. If you're new here, I'm Aranoid, and I create content about emerging technologies like Gaussian Splatting and other cool technologies like extended reality. Let's go. Gaussian Splatting represents scenes as millions of fuzzy ellipsoids that can be rendered in real time. And this can be applied to VR experiences, to game development, and many other areas. If you're already subscribed to this channel, you might remember time ago when I created many videos with Meta Hyperscape. Well, Meta Hyperscape was using Gaussian Splatting, and you could capture reality with the headset, like the Meta Quest 3, and then you can use that Gaussian Splat as an environment in virtual reality. And now you're probably wondering, it's just 3D, right? Well, it's a 3D representation, but not in the way you used to think of. In traditional 3D, you have mathematically defined surfaces, polygons, covered with textures. In here, instead, you have a representation in 3D with Gaussians. Now let's picture 3 Gaussians, and now millions of them. Isn't that a photo? Not really. Look at here. These are Gaussians. Do you remember what I showed you before? These are Gaussians as well, but you can see them only when you get closer. But how can we use it? You can have many applications, from real estate to on traveling in remote locations, but also showcasing some products. So what's the advantage here? In the normal process, you would have to create in 3D in Blender, Cinema 4D, and other software, all of this, and this would have taken hours. With Gaussian Splatting nowadays is far much faster. In the example of Hyperscape, I could just scan the environment with the headset, and then I got it as a virtual environment. But Hyperscape was just one application. Gaussian Splatting is not actually limited to one application, and that's what we will uncover in the next video.